Hi, my name is Jessica Cha. I'm an attorney here at Pinkham Associates.
And I am Doug Pinkham, and we are a dedicated family law firm here in Orange County.
So, Doug, a question that I get a lot when I'm talking to my friends and family is, what is the most important attribute in selecting an attorney? And I believe it's experience and knowledge. I don't know if you give the same advice.
Tremendously important, no doubt about it. However, I would add to that trust. If you don't trust your attorney, they can have all the experience in the world, 40 years of experience, all in family law. If you don't trust their advice, you're not going to be comfortable, and you're going to be looking to find a new attorney halfway through your divorce.
And I think that's actually a really good point. And to add to that, and to kind of go back to the experience advice, you can have an attorney who's only been practicing 5-10 years, but who's been practicing in a dedicated fashion in only 1 or 2 practice areas, and that experience and knowledge means more, in my opinion, than an attorney who's been practicing for 25, 35 years
in different areas
of law.
We call that rent law. Anything that comes in the door that'll help pay the rent, they'll take the case. You got an attorney potentially that practices family law and criminal and personal injury and workman's compensation. And
I call that door law, whatever walks in through the door. So I do believe that the experience and knowledge is really important, because your case is not a mix of personal injury and employment labor and family law and criminal law. And there might be that 1 in a million case that has all of those elements, but more likely, if you're getting a divorce, you don't want a labor law attorney handling your divorce.
You were dealing with custody, visitation, child support, spousal support, maybe some domestic violence. You've got to have that experience and years of experience in that field to do it right.
And I totally agree with your point on trust. You could have the best attorney in the world with the most experience, but if you don't believe a word that comes out of their mouth, then it's kind of, it's pointless. So I think bottom line is, when you are trying to select an attorney, you should select someone who is experienced and knowledgeable, but someone that you also trust and feel a connection with. Which is why we always insist on talking, with a potential client and meeting with them in a free consultation environment to establish that rapport, so that everybody can feel comfortable.
I guess this would be a good time to mention that we're not only saying this because we only have 5 years experience. I've been doing this almost exclusively family law. The tidbit of overlapping criminal law, they sometimes overlap, for going on 16 years. And Jessica?
And I've been in practice for about 10 years, almost 10 years, and I've been practicing family law exclusively for the last 5.
Okay.
So collectively, we have over 20 years of experience in dedicated family law matters. So if you have any questions and would like to meet with us and see if maybe we might be a good fit for you, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.